Hey guys, it's Paul's Trading here, and today is day 2 of the new futures account that I'm trading. And today, you guys can tell we started the recording really late compared to normal. I don't think that really matters when I'm trading right now because, like I said, it's just practice. It's the demo count, doesn't really matter what happens. But the reason why is because I had a very long night yesterday and I needed my sleep. Because even if I didn't sleep in, if I woke up early, I probably would have missed all my trades because I'm so tired. So I woke up and I just went straight to trading, and it came out today. We're down $1,000. We took two losing trades. They didn't really follow my strategy. I just really wanted to take trades. That's the problem when you're looking for trades. Trades will find you, even if they're really not there. If you look hard enough, you will find them, and it's while that's good sometimes, it's also bad. Like some of my setups, they weren't perfect, so I took the risks and it didn't pay out. Both of my risky trades were both losses. So I really need to learn to just follow exactly what my rule book says and don't trade anything else. So yeah, that's basically what happened today. I was searching for trades that weren't there. There were rules that prevented me from taking these trades, but I still took them because I was like, maybe it might be successful. So let's just try that. So that's another lesson for you guys. Don't search too deep for trades because it's not going to work out all the time. Like today, my first losing trade was an ascending triangle trade. The rule that I broke was you're not supposed to take trades after the first rejection if that rejection is more than $8 from the line. So I took that trade off another rejection later because it just looks so clean. The line was really good. The flat was really good. So I was like, I don't think anything bad will happen. So let's just take the trade. And it went in the complete opposite direction. So yeah, that's why you always follow your rules. If you don't follow your rules, stuff like this will happen. And it was really annoying when it happened. But that's trading for you. So I learned a lesson, which is good. I'm not going to take any more risks from now on. We're still getting ready for the funded account later. Hopefully that funded account goes well. I'm going to use everything I learned from this practice and trying to come back into trading after my long break. So yeah, hopefully all these lessons are really useful. And my second trade was off one of my swing indicators I use on the 1000 tick chart. The problem with that trade was I had a rule specifically that said if it's more than $3 from the second to third swings, you're not supposed to take a trade. This is by the stick, by the way, the end candle stick. Uh, and it was actually exactly $3. And so I was like, this could turn good, this could turn bad. I'm gonna lean towards good. And I took the trade and it actually went in the way I would have expected it to, but it was a loss still. What I would expect is if the rules like line up extremely well, but there's a small thing that's like against the rules. Like in this case, it was a $3 thing. It will go over my stop loss, so it'll hit my stop loss, but then it'll reverse extremely fast and hit my take profit. Or that's one case that could happen. Or it'll immediately after I enter go towards my take profit, but it won't hit my take profit. Instead, it'll reject really close to my take profit and then hit my stop loss. That's what I've been seeing during my back testing, and that's exactly what happened here. Um, it went towards my it immediately went to my stop loss, and then it rejected literally 50 cents from my stop loss. Like if I had my stop loss 50 cents higher, we would have hit take profit, which it's just really annoying. You guys can see here, I'm pretty sure this is where my trade is. I think my ascending triangle trade. The setup just looked really well, and I wanted to enter, but it didn't follow my rules. That's the main thing I have to fix. Even if I see a setup I really like, if it doesn't follow my rules, I cannot enter that setup. I have to keep that in my mind. I have to remember that. Rules always come first, and I'm going to try to follow them from now on. Don't want to try to do something out of the top of my head. Just follow my rules and we'll be successful. So yeah, that is basically it for today's video, I think. Yep, I entered right there and it did not go well. You can see we immediately hit the stop. Today wasn't that bad though, I feel like. As long as you learn something, especially during practice, I'm super happy this happened during practice trading. As long as you learn something, it was a successful day, because if you keep learning, eventually you'll have learned enough to be extremely successful. That is the mindset I have, and that is the mindset everyone should have. You can see here, this is where we entered the swing trade. Yeah, that was not a very good entry. You can see, if I don't know if the quality is really well on here, but if you guys are able to see from the swing high, if you guys paused right here, from the second swing high right before the very swing high, it was exactly $3, and that is why I entered the trade. And I literally, in my rules it says it has to be less than $3, but it was exactly $3. So yeah, that's basically what happened. I should not have entered that trade. From now on, I'm gonna follow my rules perfectly, and yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in a hopefully much better day 3 of the practice account. Peace.